Right now, everyone in Cambodia trying so hard to spread the truth to the world. So if you see this video, help us by sharing the truth. Cambodia did not start the war. Please stop all the misunderstanding. In this video, you will know all the truth. My name is Lim Sonali, a content creator from Cambodia. Right now, I am using my voice to clear the name of our country and to protect the dignity of my people. I am a Khmer citizen whose parents and grandparents have been through the war from the past. We know how deeply it hurt in the aftermath, so we don't want it anymore. Seen so many news regarding to the conflict between Cambodia and Thailand, but most of it has been influenced by false reports that trying to blame Cambodia as the aggressor. Before you make any judgment, please consider this. We are a small and developing country. We are still healing from our past civil war, and we are now focusing on moving forward to improve our country in a peaceful way and stable future. So why would we choose the war, knowing it's only harm our country even more? In fact, throughout the history, Cambodia never invaded Thailand lands, not even once. So we hope the international community will look at the facts carefully. Please consider this with me. Cambodia land is 3 times smaller than Thailand. Thailand has a big population of 65 million people. But Cambodia only have 17 million people. More than that, Thailand military and the air force are more advanced comparing to Cambodia. Why would we fight with the country who have military air force are bigger than us? Cambodia economy is still developing and far weaker from Thailand's. So starting a war would be harm us more. Why would we choose that? Whenever the conflict arises, Cambodia always turn to international community to help support us in peaceful way because we believe in dialogue, not violence. Unfortunately, Thailand has never shown the same commitment to peaceful solution as Cambodian did. These are the key events that happening right now between Cambodia and Thailand. On the 28th of May, Thai soldier enter Mumbai area which is in Cambodia territory and kill one of Cambodian soldier. On the 7th of June, Thailand have closed several borders without any prior discussion with Cambodia at all. Some of you may know Cambodia economy also rely on importing goods from Thailand as well. So it doesn't make any sense at all for us to do such action because it only hurt more to our economy and people. On the 12th of June, Thailand had threatened to cut off electricity and internet from Cambodia. It's not just affect our government but also millions of civilians in Cambodia too. On 15th of June, Cambodia filed a formal request to ICJ, which is an international court of justice, regarding to the border disputes such as Mumbai area, Tamon Toi Temple, Tamon Thom Temple, Akrabai Temple. This shows that Cambodia is trying to seek for help from international community to end this war in peaceful way. We have always been transparency with international as you're seeing now. On 23rd July, Thailand expelled Cambodia ambassador back to our country without any prior discussion too. 5th of July, according to Cambodia Minister of Information, Mr. Nate Petra, following this morning closed door United Nations Security Council meeting, Thailand permanent representative to the UN avoided speaking to the journalists. And why would he avoiding speaking to the journalists if they have done nothing wrong? Most recently, on the 24th, 25th and 26th of July, Thailand launched 3 different attacks to Cambodia. And now we have all documented very carefully. What you are seeing now is the attack timeline on the 24th of July. And this is the attack timeline on the 25th of July. And this is the attack timeline on the 26th of July. In each case, Thailand has always initiated with aggression, and Cambodia responded only to protect our people, protect our borders, and seek international support to stop the fighting. This is a message from a painful Cambodian that hoping to be heard by international community. We always choose the path of peace. We have always asked for help from international community in resolving these conflicts through legal and diplomatic means. We have nothing to hide. The temple located in this disputed border, including Tamon Toi Temple, Tamon Thom Temple, and Takrabai Temple, the Ghost Mountain, and the Mumbai area. Especially the Pravihir Temple, which already been included in the World Heritage. How dare Thailand keep invading the land that already been included in the World Heritage like this? Only show disrespect to the people of Cambodia, but also the World Heritage that belong to all of the humanity. We are tired of pain, conflict, and invasions of the past. We respectfully ask the world to look carefully, think critically, and reflect on the fact before making any judgment. Cambodia will stand for peace always. We don't want to lose or win in this battle. We just want peace and dignity. Thank you.